Hi, I'm Nihal. I'm originally from Germany and currently based in Singapore. I'm a CG supervisor and cinematographer. My professional work includes visual effects work for major Hollywood studios, and my cinematography work spans across documentary and cinematic work for commercial clients and NGO organizations. I started my career working as a render wrangler at MPC, but quickly worked my way into the lighting department, where I had the opportunity to work on projects like Harry Potter, Narnia, and Watchmen. I left MPC to join Cinesite in 2010 to work on John Carter, taking on not only lighting but also lucrative tasks. Leaving England behind after 4 years, I joined Industrial Light and Magic in Singapore. For the last 10 years, I was fortunate to be able to work on many high-profile movies like Avengers, Pacific Rim, Ready Player One, and over time took on the role as CG supervisor for movies like Aladdin, Solo, Star Wars 9, and most recently I oversaw our work on The Mandalorian Season 2, Episode 1. As a cinematographer, I have worked on several commercials, documentaries, short films, and music videos, most notable Birthplace by Novo Amor, which won almost 20 awards, one of them being the Best Music Video Award at Kamerimage in Poland. My most recent work are 2 narrative short films, which are currently in post-production. You can find out more about my work on my personal website. And if you've signed up for my lighting course on VFX Mojo, I want to thank you. If not, go check it out. I hope you enjoy it.